Inspired by Mexico's barbecue pitmasters, these Yucatecan salmon tacos with citrus cabbage slaw are packed with sweet citrus flavors that perfectly complement grilled Aqua Bounty salmon. Let me show you how they're made. To begin with, let's make our Yucatecan marinade. Combine all of the ingredients in a blender until smooth and adjust the seasoning with salt. Place the salmon in the marinade and chill it, covered, for 2 to 3 hours. For the citrus cabbage slaw, we'll combine cabbage, cucumbers, red onions, chilies, and cilantro leaves in a bowl. Then gently, we'll mix in the orange and grapefruit segments and lime juice. Season it with salt and pepper and reserve. Next, preheat the grill. When ready, we'll heat our tortillas on the hot grill and keep these warm. Lightly oil or spray the grill. Lift the salmon out of the marinade, gently shaking off any excess. Place the salmon on the grill and cook on both sides until just cooked through. We're looking for a little bit of char and caramelization on our marinated salmon to bring out the contrast of smoky, sweet, and citrusy flavors. To serve, we'll place a warm tortilla on a flat surface. Top with some citrus cabbage slaw, making sure to include a few citrus segments. Place 1 to 2 pieces of salmon on top and finish with crema, pickled red onions, a sprig of cilantro, avocado, and a lime wedge. So there you have it, our finished Yucatecan salmon tacos with citrus cabbage slaw.